deep pink. Let's draw a girl in a beautiful dress. First, draw her round face and little ears. That's it. Now, draw the girl's small mouth and her beautiful hair with a curl on her forehead. One, and then the other. Wonderful! Put a neat flower in her hair. Lovely! Now draw the girl's long dress. Draw colorful polka dots on her dress. Draw the girl's arms. First, the right arm. Then the left. Don't forget her fingers. Amazing! Draw the girl's feet so she can run along the path. You've drawn a charming girl. What? Yoo-hoo! Hey!